Warning: our YouTube channel and its videos may contain scenes, language, and content that may not be appropriate for all audiences. These videos include surveillance footage, undercover pursuit of suspects, actual police and rescue operations, and fearless confrontations. If you do not approve of the content, please do not watch our videos. If you wish to continue, we strongly advise that you proceed with caution. Viewers' discretion is advised.
She's obstructing the persecution ni Diane and herself. Can you believe that? At pinagdiinan ni Senator Leila de Lima na siya raw nag-advise kay Diane not ordering him, but advise him to a text message sa pamamagitan ng anak ni Diane na isnab yung House hearing kasi malagay lang sa kahiyaan. Kaya, sabi niya, ako'y naninindigan, sabi ni De Lima, I'm standing by my advice to Diane, my driver, my security, my lover boy, that my advice is stand by it. Because it's only the accusation ng kangaroo court ni Digong in Congress and the persecution daw nitong si President Digong. Talagang sinasabi niya, ito daw ho talaga something na talagang mga illegal drug trade, kabalastugan lang daw to. Kaya sinasabi niya, she was not obstructing justice. Wala daw ho siyang ganyang ginawa na not obstructing justice. At sabi niya ho, yung advice that she had over the text message sa anak ni Diane was simply obstructing persecution, not obstructing justice. Eto pang tanong ni Leila de Lima, asan bang hustisya sa ginawa nila sa akin? Wow, man. Akin. Sabi ni de Lima, why I call it obstruction of justice? Mas maganda itawag natin dyan obstruction of persecution. Kasi sabi niya, I'm trying to obstruct the acts, collective acts ng Kongreso being done by this administration to shame her. Can you believe that? Okay. So, do you agree with that? Come on. If you agree with what she's saying, come on, give me your comments. Come on. Filipinos overseas, Filipinos, every part of the world, you're watching this live streaming, give me your comment. Do you believe what Senator Leila de Lima is saying, that she did not advise Diane to obstruct justice or obstruction of justice? She admitted that she did obstruct the persecution sa kanya nitong Duterte kangaroo court ang Kongreso. Man, really a fighting iron lady.